The story begins with Kenji, a boy who loves Japanese cuisine, and Sora, a skilled sushi chef. One day, Kenji visited a famous sushi restaurant. "Wow, sushi looks amazing. How do you make it?" she asked excitedly. Kenji curiously asked, "What is sushi?" Sora smiled and explained, "Sushi is a Japanese dish made of rice, fresh fish, and other ingredients. It's a combination of flavors and tradition." Kenji asked, "If I want to make sushi, what do I need to learn?" Sora replied, "You need to learn how to cook perfect sushi rice, cut fish properly, and create different sushi rolls. You also need to practice a lot." Kenji excitedly asked, "That sounds fun. But what skills do I need?" Sora explained, "A great sushi chef needs patience, precision, and creativity. Every piece of sushi must look and taste perfect." Kenji asked, "What does a sushi chef do?" Sora answered, "Sushi chefs prepare fresh ingredients, create beautiful sushi plates, and serve customers with great care. Some even own their own restaurants." Kenji excitedly said, "I will learn to make sushi and become a great sushi chef like you, Sora." Sora laughed, "Great idea, Kenji. The world always needs more passionate sushi chefs. So, what do we need to become a sushi chef?" "We need patience, creativity, and a lot of practice. If you love food and making people happy, sushi making might be for you." Kenji holding a plate of sushi with a big smile, feeling proud of her work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.